So today I'll be doing a quick little video on how to change the cabin filter on a 2016 to 2021 at least Lexus RX350. That takes no special tools, and as you'll see, it takes all of about 2 minutes. So I recommend emptying the glove compartment first because it can be kind of heavy with stuff in it. So whatever you have in there, yeah, this Glock 17 should come out. Also, this Glock 43X should come out. I'll take this Glock 22 out. And oh, Ruger LC9. I'm not sure how that got in here with all my Glocks. All right. Anyway, first thing you want to do is undo this little arm right here, and you can just slide that off the post just like that, and it's out of the way. Okay, next you're going to just kind of push both sides of the side walls of the compartment in, and they're just little hooks up there, and that'll allow this to come down. And at that point, you can take the whole glove box compartment out. Okay, next there's the outer housing lid, and you just simply push up on these two little flaps and that comes out. Next you'll see the inner cover, and you'll also see that it says up on it, and all you need to do is just kind of tug this, and falls right off. Okay, that's done. Then you can slide the filter housing out, and you have it. You do need to hang on to this part. You will be reusing that part. On the new filter, you'll see that it's marked top on both sides. If you don't know which way is up, I don't think I can help you. Anyway, this is going to go back into the housing that we just took out. Make sure that I know which way is up. And you also want to make sure that everything is sealed tightly in here. That slides right back in. And again, you're going to make sure that, let me pull this back out so you can see it, so you know which way is up. Okay, it goes up. Then this outer cover goes on. You push it on one side, and that's it. Locked into place. This you'll slide up, and it locks into place. Let me get the glove box.
A few moments later.
Okay, now we'll put the glove box back in place. Make sure you get the hinges lined up. Push them all the way in. It should rotate. My leg's stuck. It should rotate pretty easily up and down. There we go. Make sure they're both pushed in all the way. Then you don't have to pull these in to get them back in. Just push it up into place, and it should move very smoothly up and down. Last thing you want to do is hook up this little dampener arm. Push that over. It'll snap, and then you're done. Make sure you load all your weapons or registration, insurance, whatever you have, back into your glove compartment, and you are done.